Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan. DPS World Pakistan is the expo and the organizer is FACT, 9th International Digital Printing and Signage Exhibition. Global CEO Club is a big forum, big platform for the business community to have alliances, to have partnerships, to have JVs, to have investments for the mega projects across the globe. Global CEO Club is scattered all over the world and facilitating business community to promote, to grow their businesses. Global CEO Club is present in every country of the world for the growth, for the expansion of businesses. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club if you people are seeking international as well as national business growth. Thank you. Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. This expo is related with digital printing and the organizer of this expo is FACT. Mr. Asim Irshad from Bluemax Advertising is with us. I request Mr. Irshad, please share about your company, about your brand.
So we launched this one is latestly. It was we have an innovative digital solution company name. We was deal with innovative digital solution. Now we introduce new company as a Bluemax for marketing, and we first time involved in this in exhibitions. So we first time come here. We try to introduce new technology from digital signage.
Digital sign. When you started this one?
I think so. This company it was 5 years ago.
Okay, you started this one.
Yeah.
Mr. Irshad, Global CEO Club is present in every country of the world.
Yeah.
Global CEO Club is a mega business forum for the business community is seeking international business growth. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club to become member, to become sponsor to the club, so that Global CEO Club would support you to have alliances, to have partnerships, to have JVs all over the world.
We join it if we get good response as a advertisement purpose.
Yeah.
But already we have this company 3 countries in registered: UK, South Africa, and Pakistan.
Oh, wonderful. Global CEO Club would generate business for you people to have alliances, to have partnerships. Join hands with Global CEO Club, sign MOU with Global CEO Club. Global CEO Club would generate business for you.
All right.
Have a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful time.
Thank you.